So it seems like you've got a clogged bathtub drain and the water is draining slowly. The most common cause for that is hair and soap buildup inside the drain. And the best way to get that out is with a small drain snake. I'm going to show you how to do that. You would think that a bathtub drains straight down, but it doesn't. They drain to the back of the tub. So when you put your snake in, you've got to make sure that it goes down the drain at the back. We're going to give that a little twist and a pull. Turn it around, see if we can grab up any of the hair and soap that would be clogged in there. Get my rag in there to Yep, that's what was clogging up the drain. Now that we've got that out of there, your water should flow freely away from the tub. Yeah, that was a serious little clog. We managed to get it out with our snake, and now the bathtub should drain easily. Job done.